Welcome to ABC World TV.
Good night, Minion! Sleep helps our bodies grow strong.
Wake up, stretch, make the bed. A tied room starts the day.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Clean teeth make Minions smile bright.
Sweet fruits are yummy and healthy for little minions.
Floss, floss, floss. Tiny floss keeps teeth super clean.
Playtime is fun. When we're done, minions clean up everyone.
Helping others is kind. Minions help their friends.
Wash, wash, wash your hands. Bubbles chase the germs away.
Run, jump, and play outside. Exercise makes minions happy. Stretch your body like a minion. Oops, balance is tricky. Drink water every day. Splash, sip, stay fresh and strong.
Crunchy carrots and green broccoli help Minions grow strong.
Brush, eat, drink, play, and sleep. Healthy minions feel great.
Thanks for watching ABC World TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning. See you next time, friends.